In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Python debugger extension in Visual Studio Code. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so this is a handy tool or a handy extension that you need in your Visual Studio Code to debug Python. To get it, first open your VS Code, and once you're here, head over to extensions icon here. Then you should see a search icon. So once you're here, click inside and just search the extension by name. So I'll search for Python debugger like this, and you can see we have a lot of Python extensions. I am interested in this, so to know that is the right extension, click on it and make sure that it is from Microsoft.com. And at the time of recording this extension had over 117.7 active downloads, and currently it has a star rating of 4.5 with over 15 reviews. So you can read the details about the extension, and this is the current version. You can see it here. When you see these details, you'll know that you have the right extension. To get it, click on install, and this will install this Python debugger extension on your VS Code. So that's how you can install the right Python debugger on your VS Code Studio. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.